Okay, here's your assignment today. It is worksheet 11. It's gray, scale drawing and scale factors. And it says set up and solve a proportion to find x and y. The scale factor is 1 to 2. That just means that a to b is going to enlarge by 2. So if you want to solve it with a proportion, line equals line, a to b, you put the scale factor 1 to 2, and if you're solving for x, that's what we want to solve for first, then we have 5 on the a, x on the b, cross multiply, divide, and it's going to give you 10 inches. See if that makes sense. 5 to 10, yep, it grew by 2. And then if I want to solve for y, line equals line, a to b, 1 to 2, a is the y's on top, b, 12 on the bottom, cross multiply, divide, 6 inches. If this is 6 inches, then it grew by 2. So that's what a scale factor is. Be careful because on some of them, if you go down to like number 4, it has the t on this side and the s on this side, but it's still t to s is 0.6 to 1. So if I were setting this up, I would put t to s, which is 0.6 to 1, but start with t, that's your x, to s, 15. Some of them are backwards. All right, so that's how you do the front side. If you go to the back side, if you turn it over, all of the stuff on the bottom here is in your journal notes. You can listen to that on there. Up here, it says it wants you to use, on every single one of these, you're using the scale factor 1 to 12. Right up here, 1 to 12. If the model is the 1, the actual is growing by 12. The tricky part here is that you have to have them in the same measurements. Like this is inches to inches, so you can set up a proportion easily. It is 1 to 12 is going to equal 6.25 to x. So all of the rest of them you need to convert because it will be like inches to feet. So there are 12 inches in a foot, so you would have to times this number by 12. On this one right here, centimeters to meters, there's 100 centimeters in a meter, so you'd have to divide by 100 to get that number. Over here, you're going to have to divide by 3 because there's 3 feet in a yard, and there are 10 millimeters in a centimeter, so I believe you're going to have to divide by 10 before you set up your proportion. All right, let me know if you have any questions.